What's up, Odooers, and welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to use AI in Odoo Helpdesk to automatically route incoming support tickets. Right now, most tickets are assigned manually or through rigid rules, but that creates real problems. Reps are wasting time triaging, tickets are often landing with the wrong team, and vague, inconsistent language from customers makes automation extremely unreliable. But with Odoo AI, tickets are routed automatically based on their descriptions, no manual sorting, no custom rules. That means you and your team can handle twice the volume with up to 40% reduction in handling time and 3 to 5 times better routing accuracy. What's the result? Your reps spend more time resolving issues and less time managing them. And it doesn't stop at support. This routing data can surface recurring bugs for the product team or flag high value issues early for customer success. It's a smarter, more scalable way to manage your support across your company. So let's dive into the setup. Okay, first, we need to make sure there are a few apps installed. We already have our AI app right here as well as our Studio app installed on our database, but there is one more module we need to make sure we have. Specifically, if we hop into the apps application, remove this default filter and search up AI server actions. We need to make sure we have this module installed into our database because this is the module that allows us to use Odoo server actions to update fields via the AI. And it looks like this is installed as well, so let's see what we can do with it. Now, in order to properly route tickets, I need to create a new server action. I'm going to enable developer mode, and to do that, I need to hop into the settings, scroll to the very bottom, and click this activate the developer mode. Great. Now, from here, we're going to hop into our Helpdesk app, click tickets at the top, followed by all tickets, and now open up our Studio app. From here, I'm going to click automations at the top of our screen, and then click new in the top left. For the title, I'm going to call this Assign Helpdesk Team Tickets based on description. That might seem a bit descriptive, but in cases like this, it's best to be as specific as possible. The model is set to Helpdesk Ticket because that's where we were in the database when we opened Studio. As the trigger, I'm going to select on Create. And that's because I want this action to occur as soon as a new ticket is created. Now that we know the when and the where, it's time to create the what. So down here in the Actions tab, I'm going to click Add an Action. And let's go ahead and call this Update Helpdesk Team with AI. And for type, I'm going to choose Update Record. This is because when the ticket is created, we're going to be updating the team it is assigned to. So here in the Update field, we're going to change this to Update with AI. Now, in the next field, I'm going to search and select Helpdesk Team. This sets the Helpdesk Team field as the target to modify with this AI server action. Below, in the prompt here to the right, we're just going to paste in our prompt. And this explains how the AI assigns the correct Helpdesk team. By the way, if you want to use this prompt in your own database and maybe customize it a bit further to suit your own business needs, I'll include a text version of this in the description for this video. Basically, the prompt is going to look at what the customer wrote in the description field of their Helpdesk ticket and decide which of these teams, customer care or IT support, the ticket would best fall under. Now, before we can call this ready to go, we have to tell the AI where it needs to look to find what the customer is asking about. So we need to replace the word description with the field label for description. So to do that, we're just going to highlight description here, add our /, then click on field selector. Then I'm going to type in description, click it, and click insert. This is how I tell the AI which field to use for context. Next, we need to indicate to the AI which Helpdesk team it should use to assign the tickets. So now I'm going to highlight customer care, add a / once again, but this time I'm going to click on records selector. While the field selector identifies a field that will be used for context, the record selector allows me to insert an existing record, like a Helpdesk team, that will be used when the automation updates the ticket. So all I have to do is search for customer care and select our team, followed by insert. Now let's do the same thing for IT support. We're just going to highlight IT support, add a slash, click on record selector, and of course, we're just going to type in IT support and then insert. A quick note on running prompts: the richer the context, the better the AI sorts our tickets. Even though today's use case, we're only steering tickets into two different teams, you can include more context by sprinkling in real world phrases that customers actually use. Having concrete examples and keywords help the model recognize patterns and route each ticket to the correct team with higher accuracy. But this looks all good, so I'm just going to click Save and Close. And now we can close out Studio as well. Now, let's take a quick look at a ticket so we can see where this information is coming from. Down here in the description, the information provided here is used by the prompt to determine the context of the ticket. Up here in the Helpdesk team, this is where the information from the record selector is applied. Got it? Great. Now that we have our prompt in place, time to see it in action. Back here in our Helpdesk app, I'm going to create a new ticket manually. All I have to do is click New in the top left corner, and let's just call this something like server error. And under description, I'm going to add, I'm getting a 500 internal server error when accessing my dashboard. Sounds like a problem that we'll want to fix immediately. Right now, this ticket is defaulting to customer care. However, as soon as we save it, it changes over to IT support. That means the AI checked it out and realized that this new ticket was better suited for our IT support team and then made the switch. And I bet you barely noticed the change, right? Now, how about a ticket created from email? With tickets created from emails, a common issue can be that customers don't understand the team that they should be addressing their concerns to. Instead of looking for the correct email address, they may just use one that they already have previously contacted, even if the issues are completely different and outside of that team's scope. I'm going to address this email to the IT support team. However, the issue I have is not directly IT related. Instead, I'm going to request assistance with canceling my subscription. So for the subject, I'm going to put cancel subscription. And I'll go ahead and add my reasoning down here as well. So I'm going to click send. And let's see how AI handles this one. As soon as the ticket is created, I can see it right here. And it's assigned to one of our employees, which is Mitchell Admin. But let's see what team it's assigned to. And look at that. Despite sending it to the IT team, the AI was able to route this ticket to our customer care team. And perfect. Now we don't have to worry about our customers knowing where to direct their tickets because we know they'll always end up in the right place. And there you have it. You've now set up a smart AI-powered workflow in Odoo that routes Helpdesk tickets automatically based on free text descriptions. This means faster support, fewer manual steps, and a more scalable customer service process. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.